Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, my name is Faiz Nurbadiansyah with ID study at the number 2024 3293 major information system. This initial stage of network footprinting is carried out identify the network configuration using the ipconfig command in command prompt. From the result, it is now that the device has a IP4 address of 1.6 with subnet mask, indicating that is within the local network 1.0 slash 24, host range 1.1 and 1.2054. This address is classified as a IP private IP, which is used in a local network and connected to the internet through NAT. The default gateway use 1.1, which is function as a bridge to external network router or modem. In the additional, the device also has a global IP6 address, indicating that the network support IP6. The network connection is stable via Wi-Fi or wireless LAN. The result of a ping scan using Nmap show that there are 9 active hosts in the local network, including the router 1.1, several client device, Xiaomi device, and the device used for scanning is 1.6. All hosts are marked as up with latency range from 0.0017 to 0.14 second, including that all devices are on the same local network with fast response times. This shows that the network is fairly active, consisting of various devices such as smartphone, IoT device, and laptop. In this stage, port scanning, regular and intense scan are performed to identify service on the host 1.0. The results show several open ports indicating active service. On the port open 135 TCP MSRPC inter-process communication in Windows, and 139 TCP NETs BIOS legacy file and printing sharing service, and 445 TCP SMB file sharing, printer sharing, and network authentication in Windows. A full port scan was performed on the host 1.6 using service detection and NSC script to identify all running the service. Key result: the host is active up with very low attention, and the open port is 135, 139, 445, and banyak banget kalau harus disebut. Data was captured using WhatsApp on the Wi-Fi interface. ICM traffic was detected, indicating the network is active, connected to the internet, and can be monitored. The ICM filter was applied to display only ICM packet, allowing the analyzer to focus on the ping of the file. Communication occurred between 100.106 using ICM echo request and reply. Observes parameter: the active percent connectivity test ping to verify network access and measure latency. The ICM filter simplifies analyze the focus only relevant traffic. 1.106 use the display traffic from the local device outgoing and remove the other traffic. Protocol identified include TCP, TLS, and QUIC. Pada active present normal client to server communication as browsing, web service, and online application. Follow the TCP and VLSM handshake encryption data. HTTP filter is used to display only HTTP traffic port 80, allowing focus on web communication. The client is 1.206 access several servers with active. The active represent normal web browsing, accessing page and downloading results. Follow get request, response, and data transfer. And the HTTP response 200 is okay and 304 not modified. TCP port 80 HTTP and 443 HTTPS are used to separate encryption and encryption traffic. The activity represents normal communication. The HTTP basic browsing and connectivity checks less insecure. The HTTPS secure browsing, login, cloud updates. Flow is TCP, request, response, data, close. Wireshark capture traffic on Wi-Fi, showing communication from the client 100.106 to various server. The filter TCP port 80 and TCP port 443 are used to observe communication and check an error. The activity represents normal communication, browsing, update, background service. TCP operation well despite the minor retransmission and the multiply connection to public server normal behavior. No critical error detected and system remains stable. Filter is used to display quick HTTP/3 traffic and remove the other traffic. The activity present modern communication HTTP/3 for faster browsing. The flow quick, direct encryption, data transfer, and fast response.